Hi, my name's Tom. I just want to quickly talk about this little cabinet my wife got. This is actually the second one she picked up. She picked up the first one for my son to use at college, but she liked it so much she picked up another one to go ahead and keep all of her makeup stuff and all of her little things in it in the bathroom. So let me just tell you all about this. It's super easy to build, first and foremost. It comes in 1, 2, 3, 4 little blocks, and they're all packed flat. And all you do is you open up each block, you kind of click all 4 sides in, you click the door in place, and then you stack it on top of the next piece. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. You do not have to stack them. You could use them as 4 separate pieces if you want. However, only one top with it, so they might have no tops. So you could do maybe 1, 2, 3, and then put the other one somewhere else. But they're designed to be 4 separate pieces, and then you have optional wheels. We put little wheels on this as well, and they're locking wheels, so you can rotate it around, spin it, and then you can lock the wheels in place if you don't want it to move. So, how does it work? Real simple. Little latch on it, just pull it down, and there you go. All your makeup stuff, close it right back up. This is kind of a smoky plastic here. It is all plastic. You can kind of see a little bit into it. It's a little bit opaque, but it mostly blocks all the dirt and all the junk in there, so it doesn't look all junky. You don't see a whole bunch of things. It's not all clear. But there you go. We've used this. She's used this for about a week or so, and she really likes it. The whole thing just kind of clips together, little clips on the side. You can pick them up. You can actually move them around if you wanted to. But this would be great for things like art supplies, office supplies, even like pantry things. Food, cans, little boxes, little snacks, whatever. We're thinking my son will probably use them for snacks and things in his college dorm room. But it's really, really simple, really easy to put together, really does roll around a little bit. It's nice, it's plastic, it's lightweight, and you can actually collapse it all back down if you want to. So yeah, it's just a neat little cabinet. My wife really enjoyed it. She liked it so much, she got 2 of them. So yeah, it's pretty cool and it's highly recommended.